Hello, in this video let us solve this question. So we have square root of 2 raised to power square root of x minus square root of 2 raised to power square root of y is equal to 48. And from this, we to solve for the value of x and y. To solve this, solution. So we can write square root of 2 as 2 raised to power 1 over 2, then all raised to power square root of x, then minus root 2 can be written as in brackets 2 raised to power 1 over 2, then all raised to power square root of y is equal to 48. So from here, applying this rule of indices, that if you have in brackets a raised to power m, all raised to power n, this equals to a raised to power m times n. Applying this rule right to this becomes 2 raised to power the square root of x over 2, then minus 2 raised to power the square root of y over 2, and this equals to 48. So at this junction, we are then going to say that let the square root of x over 2 equals to a, and the square root of y over 2 equals to b. So this becomes 2 raised to power a minus 2 raised to power b is equal to 48. Next, we can rewrite this equation as we have 2 raised to power a, then subtract b and add b to this. Then we have minus 2 raised to power b is equal to 48. So applying this rule, that if you have a raised to power m plus n, this equals to a raised to power m times a raised to power n. Applying it right here, so we have this to then become 2 raised to power a minus b times 2 raised to power b minus 2 raised to power b is equal to 48. So factorize out 2 power of b from this. We have 2 raised to power b into bracket 2 raised to power a minus b, then minus 1, and this equals to 48. So looking at this right here, we have that 2 power of b, this will give us an even number, but 2 raised to power a minus b minus 1, this will give us a odd number. Okay, so next we are going to look for the factor of 48. So 48, right, we have 48 times 1, we have 24 times 2, 16 times 3, we have 12 times 4, and we have 8 times 6. So looking at these factors of 48 and comparing it to even number times odd number, so this one, they are both even numbers, cancel them out. Even numbers, we cancel it out. We have even number 16, odd number 3, so we leave this alone. Even number 24, even number 2, cancel this out. So even number 48 and odd number 1, we still leave this alone. But then if you look at the 2 power of b right here, this right here has a power of 2. So it has a power of 2. But looking at 48, right, as an even number, this is not a power of 2, not a power of 2. So that means that we cannot work with this. So the only valid one is 16 times 3 as the factor of 48. So this equation then becomes, we have 2 raised to power b, then multiplied by 2 raised to power a minus b minus 1, and this equals 16 times 3. So with this, we can then equate them to each other, such that 2 raised to power b is equal to 16, 2 raised to power a minus b minus 1 is equal to 3. 2 raised to power b equals 16 is 2 raised to power 4. And looking at this, we have the same base. 2 will cancel 2, b is equal to 4. Okay? From here, we have 2 raised to power a minus b is equal to 3 plus 1. Move minus 1 over to this side. So 2 raised to power a minus b is equal to 4. So 2 raised to power a minus b is equal to 4 can be written as 2 squared. So this cancels this. We have that a minus b is equal to 2. And with this, if we input the value of b as 4, this then becomes that we have a minus b is 4 is equal to 2. And with this, we have the value of a to equal minus 4 to this side, that becomes plus 4. 2 plus 4 is 6. So a is 6, b is 4. So with this, writing this down right here, that the value of a is equal to 6, the value of b is 4. The next thing to do is to get the value of x. So to solve for the value of x, recall that right here we said let root x over 2 equal a, let root y over 2 equal to b. So writing this down, that we have recall that root x over 2 is equal to a, root y over 2 is equal to b. So for the value of a as 6, root 2 over 2 is equal to 6, and then root y over 2 is equal to b as 4. So if we should then cross multiply, this then implies root x is then equal to 6 times 2, 12. If we square the both sides of the equation, x is equal to 12 squared, x is equal to 144. From here, we have that if we cross multiply, this then implies that the square root of y is equal to 8. If we square both sides, y is equal to 8 squared, y is equal to 64. So these are the solutions of the value of x and y. Okay, the next thing is to verify this solution of x and y. So right here, let us verify this. Verify. So the question that we have is, we have the square root of 2. Okay, let me bring this down. So right here, so the square root of 2, then raised to the power of square root of x minus square root of 2 raised to the power of square root of y will equal 48. So from here, the square root of 2 raised to the power of the square root of x is 144, then minus the square root of 2 raised to the power square root of y is 64. So from this, this equal 48 question mark. So we can write root 2 as in bracket 2 raised to the power 1 over 2, then raised to the power 144, root 144 is equal to 12. Then we also have minus root 2 can be written as in bracket 2 raised to the power 1 over 2, then all raised to the power root 64 is 8. And will this equal 48 question mark. So from this, 2 we divide 12, 6, 2 we divide 8, 4. So we then have the equation. So we have the question 2 raised to the power 6 minus 2 raised to the power 4, will this equal 48 question mark. 2 power of 6, 64, minus 2 power of 4 is 16. Will this equal 48 question mark. 64 minus 16, 48, and this equals to 48. So since the left hand side equals the right hand side, this means that the value of x and y that we got 144, y as 64 is the correct solution for the given question. Okay, so with this, I hope you all enjoy the video. If you do, kindly like the video, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. God bless you.